Keto chocolate mousse. Preparation cooking time, 15 minutes. Servings, 1. Ingredients. 1/2 cup whipping cream. 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon stevia, depends on your preference. 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, unsweetened. 2 tablespoons chocolate chips or chopped chocolates, unsweetened. Procedure. 1. In a bowl, add the whipping cream. 2. Add stevia and whisk the mixture until the texture becomes thick like the whipped cream. 3. Add the cocoa powder. 4. Combine the mixture using a spatula. 5. Lastly, add the chocolate chips. Mix again until well combined. Chill the mousse for 1 hour. 6. Serve in a small cup or bowl and top it with chopped chocolates. Nutritional information. Energy 525.7 kilocalories. Protein 6 grams. Fat 50.9 grams. Carbohydrates 10.9 grams. Remember to subscribe, comment, share and like it. Click on the bell to be informed of the latest videos uploaded. Thanks.